We should all be able to make some pretty good money. I've talked to you guys about this before. I don't think it's rocket science. The only question is, where do you see this? I certainly don't think it's going to happen today or tomorrow. Cool part about it is we can even give you, especially if you're relatively new to this game, you probably don't even believe this right now. But we can give you almost a to the date window of exactly when we should be ringing the register and taking profits and going and buying our houses. And that should be the first, well, actually, even right through the month of November 2025. So, as we go through time, I think what I'll do is I'll even put a "you are here now," because I think we're basically like right about here right now, right? November 22, December 22, so somewhere like right in there. And we'll type in "you are here now." So, do you want to take advantage of this? It's up to you. But I did find fascinating, and it's so cool to see, is unfortunately, this one's running away from me. I hope it doesn't get too far away from me. I heard people say things like, well, I was banging out doubles on this ant. No reason why you can't get free coins on that kind of move. So I was very proud to hear people already banging out doubles. And then I also heard someone say, and this one, it was actually a friend, not a friend, one of my favorites from previous cycle is Nemerate. And it's $11, 20, so not quite a double. Pretty close though. If anything, though, absolutely perfect analogy to our funny little, reload zone concept. And Brian's told you many times in the past, and you're going to see this a lot if you pay attention over the coming little while. Oh, what a surprise. The goddamn market goes in W's basically right off that 78.6, that high right there. So great to see people already rocking it on this one. And it's just, it's not rocket science. It's just the same thing over and over and over. So you get assets, and I'm actually really liking the idea. I suppose Grim and I need to get together and really work on the level 1 education program a little bit more in the near future. I really like the idea of maybe even adjusting the course material, that if you're trading venture capital, reload zone should be 78.6 to 88.6. Yet another example, we get, you see these big blasts off, and that's cool. Blasts off are awesome. We love that. I don't know whether this thing shifted the moving averages. The initial blast off did not. This one probably will. And really, as soon as these moving averages cross back bullish, we can actually start thinking about bull markets again. So that's good. Yeah, you can see the fast moving averages being begrudgingly turning up here. So, this is just yet, and you tell me, is there a chance for you to make a couple bucks here? That high was close to $100, and here we are down at 10, 15 bucks. So could you get a rally to 30, 40, 50 bucks here? I think so. I don't think it's outrageous. Are we getting W's on other sides of trend lines? Looks like it. You want to wait for the W to actually confirm to say, yep, indeed, we have turned the corner. Kind of like this, you could have let this thing break out here and then, done like a reload zone of this particular range. And notice there's 61.8, right? How ironic, I just said, well, maybe we'll change the reload zone. And then this one comes up where, it only tags 61.8. But anyway, the point of the matter here is we're finally in the environment where this stuff should start basing here.